everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to add the text animation on a CapCut by iPhone or iOS. So here I already have the video that I want to put the text on. So now before we before we add the text animation, make sure you have the text first. What we're gonna do is click the text feature over here on the bottom options. Just click it and then click add text, and now you can type what text that you want to put on your video. Okay, for me I want to type one fine day. Okay, and then if you can see on the features of the text, there are several features, which is font, style, effects, animation, and bubble. So I want to styling my text first. I want to go into the style, and then I want to make the text on this color. Okay, it's not really suit with the video, so let's looking for another. Okay, I think I will go with this one. Okay, I will go with this one. Okay, it's better. And then on the another section, there's an animation. Just go into the animation and choose what kind of animation that you want to use on your text. You can scroll down to looking for like another animation on it. I want to have this chromatic. Okay, and then we can adjust the speed of the animations too by clicking this. Okay. Right. Okay, so our text now is already have the animation on it. If you're done, just click checked over here. Okay, and now just let's have a test on our video. Okay, so we already have a text with the animation on it. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.